Question 2. The manager of an assembly line manufacturing plant wants to determine if there is convincing evidence the mean number of units that are assembled per worker in a given workday is greater than 50 units. To do so, a random sample of 20 employees from this large company is selected. The distribution of the number of units assembled is skewed right because some employees are far more productive than others. The manager wants to carry out a t-test for one mean. Are the conditions for inference met? All right, so this is a question about conditions. So I can already tell you that the random condition is met. We underline the word random sample. All right, let's look at the 10% condition. So we know there's 20 employees. The question is, would that be less than 10% of all employees? All right, now we can't say for sure, but they did describe it as a large company. And so I think there was a purpose of them saying that. So assuming it's a large company, then 20 would probably be less than 10% of all the employees. Okay. Finally, the normal/large sample condition. Okay. Well, nowhere in the question does it mention the population being approximately normal. Obviously, we have a sample size less than 30, so we can't use the central limit theorem. And then it describes the distribution, I'm guessing this is the sample data, as skewed to the right, and it says some employees are far more productive than others, so that would probably imply strong skewness. Okay? So I don't think the last condition is met, right? The normal/large sample, that condition is probably not met. There's nothing in the question that would indicate that it's been met. All right, so looking at the answer choices, I would go with C. Okay, the normal large sample condition is the only condition not met. I feel like the other two would be met.